Today we are going to go over wiring up lights and accessories. Let's not waste any more time. Let's jump right into it.
Alright, let's go drag racing.
I get a lot of questions about how to wire up different lights, different things to your truck. So I'm going to make a quick and easy video for you guys on what I recommend and how I did it. Here is the secret weapon. This is the Nlyte switch panel. This one is a 6 gang. They have a 6 and an 8. Now, this is just the one that I have, so that's why I recommend it, because I've used it for a long time now and really like it. There's all kinds of other switch panels and stuff out there if you want a different brand or something different. Perfect, go for it, but I think this is really good bang for your buck. I do have the Amazon link for this down below if you guys want to check it out. That would help support the channel without costing you anything extra. This kit comes with a bunch of different brackets and stuff you can use to mount your panel, so you can screw it to your dash, you can tape it, double-sided tape it, however you want to do it. It also comes with a bunch of stickers, so you can put whatever you want on your panel. So let's go ahead and explain a little bit more how this thing works and why it makes everything so much easier. Typically, if you want to wire something up into your truck, you will end up running a switch into your dash and just have a regular toggle switch. Now, if you're only going to ever put one light or one accessory or one whatever, single toggle switch is fine, whatever. Now, if you ever want to add anything else, that's where this thing comes in. So let's go ahead, jump inside. I got our switch down there. Go ahead, you can see it automatically adjusts brightness. I got the blue one. But yeah, then you just push on and off. If you have multiple of them on, you can hit this red button, it'll turn them all off and all back on, whatever you had it on. Sorry for the dinging. All that is running into my truck is this one wire. You can see it right back there. This one wire that connects to this panel. That's it. So I only had to find one spot to come through the dash, and I don't have a bunch of holes drilled into my dash for different switches and whatnot. And I can add up to 6 different accessories or lights, whatever you want on there. So let's go under the hood and I will show you what else it comes with. So up in this mess up here, that's the box that comes with it. So you get the control panel that was inside, and you get this box. In this box is your fuses and relays, okay? So you can swap whatever you want out. And how easy this is, all you have to do is run your power into this side right here. Loosen the Phillips head screw, slide your power wire in, lock it down. After you have the power locked down, you ground the other side of the set of lights or whatever you're running. No drilling a bunch of holes in the dash or anything crazy like that. So that is the biggest advantage. And then when you're done, if you want to swap it out to something else, unscrew it, pull the wire out, and you can put something else in there. This box has its own set of wires that runs to our battery, and that's obviously how the box gets power. There you go, quick and easy. That's why I recommend some sort of panel, some sort of switch panel box under your hood. It's really easy to swap wires out, add stuff, pull stuff off if you don't like it. It's just really convenient. So if you are new to adding lights or accessories or whatnot, this makes it really simple. Again, this is a nice clean setup. I'm not talking about my wiring, but the actual box and switch and everything is a really nice and clean setup. Again, I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys, hopefully to answer some of your questions, help you out. Again, you can drop your comments down below if you got any questions. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I appreciate all the support. Take it easy, and we'll catch you on the next one.